Hello students, welcome back from your holidays. Hope you all have enjoyed your holidays and you all are well. This side your computer teacher Akanksha. So till now we have completed 2 chapters in computer and I am hoping that you all have seen the previous videos in getting the things. And one more thing I want to convey today, I have sent message also, but again I'm telling you that if you are having any query or if you are having any problem related to certain topic or chapter, please feel free to mail your problem at my mail id, and my mail id is akankshajham@gmail.com. double AKANKSHAJHAMB@gmail.com. Again I'm repeating, double AKANKSHAJHAMB@gmail.com. Okay, on this mail id, when you will send your problem, send with your name, your class, your section, your chapter name and the page number. Okay, and surely I will definitely I will reply to you in 2 or 3 days or maybe on that day only. Okay, and this problem you can send, you can just click the problem from your book and you can just attach that problem with your mail, and that also you can send to me. Fine. Now after this information, let's start with our subject computer, and today we will start chapter 3, and chapter 3 name is, please see, I have written some notes, and chapter 3 name is word processor tabular presentation. Okay, before starting this chapter, it's my humble request to you all, kindly open your book and open page number 24 in logic book, because when I will explain to you, if your book will be open in front of you, you will get it better. So it's my humble request, kindly open your book and then sit calmly, be focused, and then listen to my lecture. Okay, so today we will start chapter 3, name is word processor tabular representation. Means what? We all have worked on MS Word since you were in class 3rd now. From that time we were reading of word processor MS Word. Yes. So now in this chapter we will learn about tables, how the table, like how we can insert table in MS Word, how we can enter data in MS Word, how we can edit the table, how we can delete the table, and so on. So many things we will learn, how we can format the table. Okay, but firstly, before all this, what we will do, we will start with table itself. Okay, so on the notes, please look there. I have written the definition of table. A table is an organized arrangement of data which consists of number of rows and columns. Then I have make a diagram of table. This is the diagram of table. Okay. Now, uh, in the definition they are saying a table is an organized arrangement of data. Means a very well organized data which consists of number of rows and columns. Okay, so 2 new words we are getting here, number of rows and columns. So what are the rows and what are the columns? Okay, so this will clear in this diagram also, and I have written definition also for cell, for column and for row. Okay, in this table, a column is a vertical series of cells in a table. Okay, vertical series means this is a column. Firstly, I will tell you what is a cell. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Look, these all are the cells. Means intersection, जहाँ पे हमारी row and column cut करते हैं. The intersection of a row and column is called a cell. So means these all are the cells. Now what is the column? This one is the column. A column is a vertical series of cells in a table. Look, this thing we call vertical, this thing we call vertical, and this thing we call horizontal. Yes, this you know. So these are the cells in the vertical order. So the column in is a vertical series of cells in a table. This is called column. And what is a row? A row is a series of data items placed in a horizontal line. So this one is the row. Means row is a series of data item placed in a horizontal line in a table. Okay, so this is the description of the table. Means wait a minute. Okay, now the next thing is how we can create a table. How we can create a table in MS Word. So for creating a table, firstly we have to go in insert tab. Where we have to go? We have to go in insert tab, and in insert tab one table group is there. Okay, how to create a table in MS Word? In MS Word one ribbon is there, and above the ribbon tab group is there. So you have to go in insert tab, and in insert tab one table group is there. Okay, and we are having 5 ways to create a table in MS Word. These 5 ways are using table grid, using insert table dialog box, using draw table, using quick tables, and converting text to table. This topic is totally practical based, so I will explain you with the help of laptop. Okay, so give me a minute for it. Okay, we will start MS Word. I will go to start button, then I will write Word here. So this we will open Microsoft Word. I hope you all can see. Okay, this is the screen of Microsoft Word. We will close unnecessarily things. Okay, so I told you that table of a command is in insert tab, so we'll go in insert tab. Okay, so these are the groups: pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and folder, text and symbols. These are the group, and insert tab we have to go in table group. On the table group, if you can see, one small rectangle is given there. When I will click here, then we will get the option. 5 options I have told you how to create a table. First one is using the table grid. This is the table grid. Okay, the number of rows and columns are given here. If I want 2 by 2 table, then I can select like this, then 2 by 2 table is there. If I want 4 by 4 table, means first I will select 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I want to select 4 columns also, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will create 4 by 4 table like this. Okay, one more table if you want. Just click here, click enter, come down, then again go table. Now you want all the grid selected. Okay, so in this way, using table grid you can create a table. Okay, now next, what is the second way? Second way is using insert table dialog box. Means using insert table. Again we will go in insert tab, then we will click on table. Now second option is here, insert table. Can you see insert table option is here? When you will click insert table option, one dialog box will appear. Okay, in this dialog box they are asking about number of columns and number of rows. Okay, so number of columns I want 6, and number of rows again I want 8. Sorry. Okay, now I will click OK. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns are there, and just a minute, I will scroll down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 rows are there. So second way also we have seen. Now third way is using draw table. Okay, for third way also again we will go in insert tab, then we will click on table. Listen, this is grid view, this is draw table option here. So first we will click where we want the table, then we will go to table, then draw table. When you will click on draw table, one pencil will appear in front of you, and you just have to drag like this to draw the rows like this. Okay, it will be a tedious job for you to draw a table. Simply just you can create the table. It was easy to create from the table grid, and so this will create columns. Okay, so with the help of draw table also you can draw a table, but it will be time consuming for you unnecessarily. Okay, now fourth way. What is the fourth way? Again I want a table here, so I will click here, then again we will go in insert, then click on table. The fourth way is what? Quick tables. See here, last option is quick tables. Means already some table templates are there, you just have to select which type of table you want. Like this type of table we want, so one table we are getting from it, and just update the data. Okay, just put the backslash and empty the data from the table. Fine, this is the fourth way. Okay, now what is the last way to create a table? Converting text to a table. Okay, now converting text to a table, we just want a data in the table, and okay, we are writing roll number, then press tab key, then I'm writing name, then again tab key, then I'm writing class, then again tab key, then contact. Okay, then in second line I'm writing 1, then tab key, I'm writing here class 6th A. Okay, now 2 I'm writing here, then I'm writing here 6th B class, then contact, any contact number we are taking, then 3 we are writing another name. We can, oh sorry, just put tab key here, yes, this is 6th C, then some contact number we will take, then 4th, okay, 6th D, and any contact number we will take here. Okay, now this is the text we have written. Fifth way is converting text to a table. Means this is not the table, this is the text which I have written. Now after writing the text, can I convert into a table? Yes, we can convert it into a table. Just select your text. Okay, now go to insert tab and convert text to the table. Okay, now when you will click convert text to the table, it will ask you number of columns. So number of columns we want 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you will write here 4. Number of rows, okay, 10. Just a minute. Okay. Oh, it is taking tabs also. Tabs also as a column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let it be 7 only. Now see. Earlier, what's the problem? We have used tab here in between both the columns. So tabs also they are considering as column. So total we need to have 7 columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So simply we have written what? We have written a text, and afterwards we can convert that text also in a table. It's not necessary that in beginning only you have to just create the table and then you can enter the data. Firstly also you can enter the data and then you can create the table. So today we have learned what is the table. Okay, how we can create the table from insert tab, table, group. 5 options are there. First one is from grid, table grid. This is the table grid. Okay, we just have to click how many number of rows and columns you want. Second is insert table. When we click on insert table, a dialog box will be there. Yes, a dialog box will be there in which number of columns and number of rows being asked. Okay, this is the second option, how to create a table. Then third one is what? Draw table. When we click on draw table, our cursor will become in a pencil style and we can draw table. Okay, now fourth one is quick tables. Means auto templates of quick tables are there. So we just have to select the table and directly the table will be inserted in your document. And what is the fifth one? Means we will write a text on the paper, and that text we can just convert it to the table. Okay, fine. I hope you all are getting it for today. This much only. And again I'm repeating, if any problem is there, please mail me, and kindly mail your holiday homework also on my mail ID. Thank you so much. Please stay at your home and be safe. Okay, take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye.